The export feature can be used in Tigersheet to export the current view, report or sheet data into an Excel or a CSV file. Here is a sheet. It's a lead sheet with certain records stored, and I need to export this data to Excel. There's an icon, a cloud-shaped icon with downward arrow on top left. I'll click this icon, and as you can see, there are two options: export as CSV and export as XLSX. Let's try the first option, where I need to export this data to a CSV file format. I'll click on it. I'll click yes. And as we can see, there's a file called lead.csv which is being downloaded to my system. Let's open and view it. You can see this is the leads.csv file. All the data has been successfully exported. Now let us try to export the same data into the Excel XLSX format. I'll double click on XLSX and I will click yes. This time I have another file called leads.xlsx that has been downloaded to my system. And as we can see, the data has been successfully exported into an MS Excel sheet. This is how the export feature works in Tigersheet.